Hello everyone, my name is Pritam Paul and welcome to another video of the C programming playlist. In this video, we are going to discuss about some basic array 1D array problems. In the last video, we have discussed the basics of array. Okay, all these things we have discussed, how the data will be initialized inside an array, how we can actually traverse the array and many other things. Okay, but here, one second. Now here we have discussed all these four problems. Now here we are going to discuss about some solutions. Okay, so the first solution which has been mentioned in the sheet, obviously the sheet link will be in the description or it will be in my WhatsApp channel. You can follow me in WhatsApp channel as well for the latest updates in the YouTube channel, and also on Instagram also you can follow me for like various interview tips. Okay, the reels I'm uploading these days, so you can follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, so this is the first like solution. Okay, so right okay, the first one already I have explained. The second one will be like okay, sum of all the array. Okay, so let's pick it up that. Okay, it will be s2 rename kidhar gaya bhai. Yeah, so it will be s2. Okay, so this is the question and let's start solving the problem. Stdio dot h integer main. Okay, yeah, this is the problem. That's it. So AI is there, you can see. We can use AI. I am using AI for the faster, like while making the YouTube videos, but I would advise you not to use AI as of now. As a beginner, I would say try to run the code of your own. Okay, so here the like input 10 integers in a 1D array and find the sum of all the numbers. Okay, so wherever we are taking the input, okay, like 10 integers, so a of 10 sum equal to 0, then 0 I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, that means 0 to 9 index it will cover. And when you are inserting the element, automatically sum will be updated, and that's it. Sum will be getting printed out. Let's see for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 55 is the answer, sum of a natural number. But like this is one thing we can do. The another one is like n into n minus 1 by 2, that kind of formula also you can do. Like if for example, if it is saying that sum of like for example integer n and then sum of first n natural number, at that time you can use it. Okay, but if you want to like customized input, it would be there, then this is another one. So any of the technique you can use based on the question. Okay, it will be asked to you. Okay, so this is the first one. Next second one. Okay, so what are the question? 1D array and find the smallest one. Okay, smallest one is very easy actually. Smallest one and largest one is very easy. Okay, okay, so this is the one. How, like integer minimum of a of 0, the first element we are taking inside the min, and then we will start from the first index to the last index. And if a of I is less than mean, that means what will happen, that like for example this one. Okay, so what we are going to, mean equal to ARR of 0, that means 5. Now mean equal to 5 for example. Now if a of I equal to 1, I less than size, I plus plus, a of I is less than mean, a of I means 1, 7 less than mean. अच्छा चलो एक काम करते हैं, let's make it 2 and let's make it 1. Okay, now let's dry run. Like what I am doing actually, it's nothing but dry run. It is called dry run. Okay, so we are going to go some for dry run, and after that we will understand the code also. Okay, so a of I less than mean, a of I is 7 as of now. Okay, 7 is less than mean, no. As it is no, then mean equal to a, this line number 8 will not be executed. Again I plus plus, and then what, I equal to 2 obviously. Then 9 is less than 5, no. 11 is less than 5, no. 13 is less than 5, no. 2 is less than 5, yes. Okay, 2 is less than 5, that means this if statement will be like returning the true value. That means mean equal to a of I. That means mean will be equal to what? It will be equal to 2. That's it. I plus plus 17 less than 2, no. 18 less than 2, no. 1 less than 2, yes. Again 1 less than 2, so mean equal to a of I. Then again 20, no. That's it. So minimum element is a of I, sorry, minimum element is 1. That means we are returning the minimum. Okay, now like here integer equal to 10, we have taken the input, and the smallest number is we directly call the function. That's it. That is the way. Okay, now if you find the biggest one, nothing, like you have to this less than sign, you have to take actually the greater than one. Okay, if you save it and then run it, so you will see 1 2 3 4, you will see 9 is the biggest one. Like here smallest, that's why smallest is getting printed out, like that's why. So you can see the biggest one is getting printed out by this greater than sign. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so the biggest one is also fine. Okay, function call by value I have shown you guys. Okay, and what would be the thing? Okay, so adding some elements and deleting some elements from the array, we were not going to talk about all this like problems here, because you have to jump into the pointer part. So this is the basics which I was talking about. Okay, so the basic operations and displaying and all, smallest, largest, sum of the elements, they're the basic problems. Okay, I hope you are understanding, and in later on we are going to solve a lot of problems. Don't worry, every problem will be available in the sheet. You try to solve it on your own. If it is not there, then I will try to make a GitHub repo where the solution link also will be provided, okay, along with the video explanation. Don't worry about that. So it will be very easier for you. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Okay, that's a wrap, and see you in the next video where we will start the pointer again. Okay, thank you so much guys. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And also if you like the content, please hit the like button for sure, so that like I could have some more motivation to make more and more and more content for all of you guys. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.